Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're a cash is king kind of person, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to pay with cash on DoorDash. So let's dive in. Alright, so there are a few things that we need to know before we jump straight in here. So the standard DoorDash app, this main app as well as the website will not accept cash payments at all. All orders require a digital payment method like a credit card, a debit card, or even the DoorDash credits. Okay, so then the cash on delivery option. Cash payments are available only through selected restaurant websites, right? They use DoorDash Drive, and DoorDash, it's their DoorDash white label delivery service for merchant partners. And this is how it goes. So what you need to do is order straight from the restaurant site. So visit the restaurant's own website, not the DoorDash app. Place your order and look for the restaurant that uses DoorDash Drive for delivery and offers COD, which is cash on delivery. At your checkout, choose cash on delivery if the option appears. This availability will depend on your location and the specific restaurant's settings. Have the precise cash amount ready for your dasher before your dasher arrives, because drivers will not be able to provide change. So accuracy really is essential for a smooth transaction. Also, hand the cash directly to your dasher upon delivery. The driver keeps 100% of the tips if you do decide to offer a tip, and the payment amount is deducted from the DoorDash earnings balance. So if you want to do this in a nutshell, go directly to the restaurant's website, figure out if they actually offer DoorDash Drive and cash on delivery. If they do, you can go through and use this method. I hope this was helpful.